Hello and welcome to issue 65 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, the 3D Create and Print. I'm in my little office now because I didn't do issue 64 because that's Double8 Smith's their supplier didn't get it for me, so I'm missing out an issue, but I've got a plug for it. So I should do issue 64 at a later date, but let's have a quick look at the magazine. I've got the usual web access code 758384, 3D print and intellectually property, I think I've pronounced that right. Little figures basically. It's important to know the laws that govern intellectually. Constructing a car part 2. About modelling the wheels. This is the USB port, the wire here, do that in a minute. Important, you can now download the 3D Create and Print software onto your computer and check the connections to your printer. Further instructions provided on the following pages. Okay. So let's do that. And got the design files as the bendy fish fossil. So let's have a look. So where do we need to go down? I think I've already done this. I think I've already got this program. I've got this cable here. I'm connecting it for the first time. Make sure it's switched on. USB cable. Powering up for the first time. Connect your computer to the printer using the USB supplied with this issue. Enable that you have your career launched through the new. Okay. Done that. Printer requires that you identify this on your computer. Go to the config menu. printer settings. Don't know which is COM1, COM3 too. Okay. Go to the config menu. Go to the config menu. Select manual printer control. Manual printer control. And then click connect. Requires a software will prompt you to calibrate your printer. Okay, and then click connect. If success, the text will change from disconnect to idle. Software will prompt you to calibrate your printer, but you should ignore this for now. Okay, so would you like to continue the start? No. Okay. And then click connect. If successful, text will change from disconnect to idle. Still saying disconnect. Wonder what happens if I do yes. Nope. Config menu, manual printer control, connect, no, it should say idle. Try this. Config. Printer settings. I'm not too sure what's happening here. Not much to do, that's about it really. Anyway, that's my printer running. Right, that's the cable there. I think I already had the program running. I hope I don't find that too boring to do. Just get it going. Exciting that I've managed to get it going. Right, there's this bit to connect. Next few issues. This is the actual connecting bit here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Thanks, bye.